Blackpink, the South Korean girl group, has taken the world by storm. Their music is catchy, blending pop, hip-hop, and EDM in a way that resonates globally. Their performances are electrifying, filled with high-energy dance routines and powerful vocals. Their style is iconic, setting trends in fashion and beauty. Millions admire their beauty, and their influence extends far beyond music. Fans all over the world want to emulate their looks. From their bold eye makeup to their flawless skin, Blackpink's beauty routine has become a global phenomenon. Social media is flooded with tutorials and posts from fans trying to recreate their favorite Blackpink-inspired looks. Blackpink's makeup is always on point. Each member has a distinct style, yet they all share a common thread of elegance and sophistication. Their makeup enhances their natural features, making them look effortlessly stunning. Whether they're on stage performing in front of thousands or walking the red carpet at prestigious events, they always look flawless. Their confidence and poise are as much a part of their beauty as their makeup. Their makeup artist plays a key role in creating their signature looks. With a deep understanding of each member's unique features, the artist tailors the makeup to highlight their best attributes. They use a combination of techniques and products to enhance the member's natural beauty. From high-end brands to innovative tools, every product is chosen with care to achieve the perfect look. In this essay, we'll delve into the secrets behind Blackpink's makeup. We'll explore the techniques and products that make their looks so iconic. We'll get insights from their makeup artist, who will share tips and tricks on how to achieve the same level of perfection. From the importance of skincare to the final touches of makeup, every detail matters. We'll learn how to recreate their looks at home. With step-by-step tutorials, you'll be able to follow along and achieve a Blackpink-inspired look that suits you. Get ready to unleash your inner Blackpink. Whether you're a seasoned makeup enthusiast or a beginner, these tips and tutorials will help you channel the beauty and confidence of Blackpink. Join us on this journey to discover the artistry behind their stunning looks. Meet Maeng, the talented makeup artist behind Blackpink's stunning looks. With years of experience in the industry, Maeng has mastered the art of K-beauty. She understands each member's unique features. Maeng creates makeup looks that complement their individual styles. Maeng emphasizes the importance of skincare. She believes that good makeup starts with healthy skin. She ensures the members follow a strict skincare routine. This includes cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Maeng also pays attention to color matching. She chooses foundation and concealer shades that perfectly match the members' skin tones. Jennie is known for her chic and edgy style. Her signature cat eye is a key element of her look. Maeng creates Jennie's cat eye using a combination of eyeliner techniques. She starts by tightlining the upper lash line with a black gel eyeliner. This defines the eyes and makes the lashes appear fuller. Next, Maeng uses a liquid eyeliner to create a sharp wing. She extends the wing slightly upwards to lift the eyes. To complete the look, Maeng applies a generous amount of mascara to both the top and bottom lashes. This adds volume and drama to Jennie's eyes. Rosé's makeup is all about enhancing her natural beauty. She is known for her radiant complexion. Maeng achieves this by using a lightweight foundation that provides coverage without looking heavy. She then applies a cream blush to the apples of Rosé's cheeks. This gives her a natural-looking flush. To enhance Rosé's eyes, Maeng uses shimmery eyeshadows in peachy pink tones. She applies a light shade all over the lid and a slightly darker shade in the crease. This creates depth and dimension. Finally, Maeng finishes Rosé's makeup with a touch of pink lip gloss. Lisa is known for her bold and experimental style. She often sports bright and colorful lip colors. Maeng loves to experiment with different lip products on Lisa. She uses a variety of textures, from matte to glossy. To ensure Lisa's lipstick lasts for hours, Maeng starts by applying a lip liner all over the lips. This creates a base for the lipstick and prevents it from bleeding. She then applies the lipstick evenly, using a lip brush for precision. Maeng often finishes Lisa's lip look with a touch of lip gloss in the center of the lips. This adds dimension and makes the lips appear fuller. Jisoo's makeup is always elegant and timeless. She often opts for neutral shades that enhance her natural features. Maeng starts by creating a flawless base using a medium coverage foundation. She then sets the foundation with a light dusting of powder. This ensures that Jisoo's makeup stays in place all day long. For Jisoo's eyes, Maeng typically uses neutral eyeshadows in shades of brown, beige, and taupe. She applies a light shade all over the lid and a slightly darker shade in the crease. This creates depth and definition. Maeng completes Jisoo's makeup with a nude lipstick or lip gloss. Maeng has a few essential products that she always keeps in her makeup kit for Blackpink. These items are carefully selected to ensure that the members always look their best, whether they are on stage, in a photo shoot, or just out and about. These products are versatile and can be used to create a variety of looks. From a natural, everyday appearance to a bold, dramatic style, these essentials have got it covered. One of her must-haves is a good quality cushion foundation. This product is a staple in many makeup kits because of its convenience and effectiveness. Cushion foundations provide buildable coverage and a dewy finish, which is perfect for creating a natural-looking base. They are easy to apply and blend seamlessly into the skin, making them ideal for quick touch-ups. Another essential product is a black gel eyeliner. This versatile item can be used to create a range of looks, from subtle definition to bold, dramatic lines. Gel eyeliners are highly pigmented and long-lasting, making them ideal for creating sharp, defined lines. They glide on smoothly and stay put throughout the day, ensuring that the look remains flawless. Maeng also relies on a volumizing mascara to add drama and intensity to the eyes. This product helps to create fuller, longer lashes that stand out and enhance the overall makeup look. Finally, a tinted lip balm is a must-have for adding a touch of color and hydration to the lips. This product not only provides a subtle pop of color, but also keeps the lips moisturized and healthy-looking. It's perfect for achieving a fresh, youthful appearance. Each of these products plays a crucial role in Maeng's makeup routine for Blackpink. By combining them, she can create a wide range of looks that suit any occasion. Whether it's a concert, a photo shoot, or a casual day out, these essentials ensure that the members always look their best. Keeping these products organized and easily accessible is key to a smooth and efficient makeup application process. Maeng's attention to detail and careful selection of products make her makeup kit an indispensable tool for Blackpink's beauty routine. While Blackpink's makeup looks may seem intricate, there are a few key techniques that you can master to recreate their looks at home. One important technique is blending. Proper blending is essential for creating seamless transitions between eyeshadow shades and for achieving a natural-looking finish. Another important technique is contouring. Contouring can help to define the cheekbones, jawline, and nose, creating a more sculpted look. Finally, highlighting is a great way to add radiance and dimension to the face. By applying highlighter to the high points of the face, such as the cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow, you can create a luminous glow. Now that you know the secrets behind Blackpink's makeup, it's time to dive into the details and learn how to achieve their stunning looks yourself. Let's break down the process step by step so you can recreate their iconic styles right in the comfort of your own home. Start by prepping your skin with a hydrating moisturizer and primer. This step is crucial as it ensures your makeup goes on smoothly and lasts longer throughout the day. Then, apply a cushion foundation evenly to your face using a damp beauty sponge or a foundation brush. This will give you a flawless, dewy finish that is perfect for any occasion. Next, apply concealer to any blemishes or dark circles. Make sure to blend it well to avoid any harsh lines and to create a seamless look. Set your base with a light dusting of powder. This helps to lock in your foundation and concealer, keeping your skin looking fresh and matte. For your eyes, choose eyeshadow shades that complement your eye color and skin tone. This will enhance your natural beauty and make your eyes pop. Apply a light shade all over the lid and a slightly darker shade in the crease. Blend the colors well to create a smooth transition and add depth to your eyes. Line your upper lash line with black gel eyeliner, creating a wing if desired. This adds definition to your eyes and gives you that classic Blackpink look. Finish with a few coats of mascara to lengthen and volumize your lashes, making them look fuller and more dramatic. Don't forget to add a touch of blush to the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. Highlight the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of your nose, to add a radiant finish. Finally, complete your look with a swipe of lipstick or lip gloss. Choose a shade that complements your overall makeup and adds the perfect finishing touch to your Blackpink-inspired look. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily recreate Blackpink's iconic makeup looks and feel like a K-pop star yourself. Enjoy experimenting with different styles and have fun with your makeup routine. Blackpink's beauty routines are not just about makeup. The members are known for their flawless skin. They follow a strict skincare regimen. This includes double cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. They also use sheet masks regularly to hydrate and nourish their skin. Blackpink's favorite sheet masks are from Korean beauty brands. They love masks with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, green tea, and snail mucin. These ingredients are known for their hydrating, soothing, and anti-aging properties. Blackpink's beauty philosophy emphasizes natural beauty. They believe in enhancing, not concealing, their features. Blackpink's makeup is all about embracing your individuality and expressing yourself through makeup. Don't be afraid to experiment with different looks and products until you find what works best for you. Whether you prefer a natural, everyday look or a bold and edgy style, there's a Blackpink makeup look out there for everyone. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun with makeup. Use it as a tool to enhance your natural beauty and to boost your confidence. So go ahead, unleash your inner Blackpink and rock your own unique style.